So businesses in general may face a variety of different types of risks depending on the size, the nature of the industry that they're in. Everything certainly from the financial risks to compliance risks for public companies. There could be legal risks, there can be certainly reputational risks. Businesses should look at risks holistically, and they should look at it regularly. One of the common mistakes that I see made in managing risk is taking a siloed approach to risk, looking at certain risks in a vacuum and not really taking a holistic view of risk across the entire organization. And that leads to potential pitfalls down the road. There's a lot of times where there's relatedness of risk amongst different parts of the organization.
The financial cost of fraud is certainly can be extreme, from huge regulatory fines to fraud occurring to errors occurring without proper procedures and controls in place.
The first step in understanding the risk is doing this risk assessment process, right? And understanding what your potential risks are.
And from there, we try to identify, okay, what are the controls I have in place to mitigate those specific risks? What procedures are they doing? What policies do they have in order to help them achieve those different objectives?
What we do is we take everything, all the information gathered and all the knowledge learned, and try to bring a enterprise-wide or holistic view of risk to the organization. The Kaufman Rossin Risk Advisory Services Group is certainly one of the largest dedicated risk advisory services practices in South Florida.
Our team has a variety of experience in a number of different industries, from banking to insurance to manufacturing to technology.
Our risk advisory services span from operational risk to compliance risk to information security risk. We have a highly skilled, highly trained, and 100% dedicated group that is dedicated to helping our clients identify, quantify, and mitigate their risk.